आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, the auxiliary circle of a family of ellipses passes through the origin and makes intercepts of 8 units and 6 units on the x and y axis respectively. If the eccentricity of all such ellipses is 1/2, then find the locus of the focus. So let us draw the diagram first to understand the problem clearly. Now this is my auxiliary circle, this is my auxiliary circle and this is my family of ellipses. Okay, now this circle is making intercept on x axis which is 8 units. So this point will be 8, 0 and similarly on the y axis it is making 6 units intercept. So this coordinates of this point will be equal to 0, 6. Now let us mark the center of the circle and find out its radius. So first of all I will join this. Now what are the coordinates of center of circle? To find this, see, this center will divide this diameter into 1:1. So x coordinate will be equal to 8 plus 0 divided by 2 which is equal to 4. Similarly y coordinate will be equal to 6 plus 0 divided by 2 which is equal to 3 of this center of this circle. Now one more thing, this is our origin point O. Now let us join O to this center C. So if I want to find this radius, just apply the distance formula. So r will be equal to under root of 4 square plus 3 square which is equal to 5 units. So radius will be equal to 5 units. Now come to this family of ellipse. First thing we have to keep in mind, the center of circle will be the center of family of ellipse also. So this point will be same. Now let us mark the focus. So the focus will be given by AE, 0. Coordinates of focus in terms of eccentricity will be given by AE, 0. Now this A is the intercept of major axis, intercept on major axis. So it will be equal to what? It will be equal to radius of circle. Okay, so A, it is denoted by A and which is equal to radius of auxiliary circle. Okay, auxiliary, radius of auxiliary circle. I will write it clearly here. Radius of auxiliary circle. It is the property of auxiliary circle. Okay, radius of auxiliary circle which is equal to 5 units. Okay, auxiliary circle. Now what we have to find? We have to find the locus of this focus. Okay, this is our locus point and we have to find this is our focus point and we have to find its locus. Now assume the coordinates of focus as h, k. Coordinates of focus as h, k. Now what we know, that the distance of focus, distance of focus from center, distance of focus from center will be equal to what? It is nothing but it is AE. Okay, now it can be also found by using the distance formula. So coordinate of center are what? Coordinates of center are 4, 3. So apply the distance formula here. So what you will get? Under root of h minus 4 whole square plus k minus 3 whole square will be equal to AE, and A is what? A is 5 and eccentricity is also given in the question. Eccentricity is given as 1/2. So put here 1/2. So 5 multiply by 1/2. Now squaring both sides. So what you will get? You will get h minus 4 whole square plus k minus 3 whole square will be equal to 25/4. Now replace h and k by x and y because we have to find the locus. So x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square will be equal to 25/4. This is the required equation for the locus of focus. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।